I got talking serious. Today we're gonna show you our buttons. But it's fake. But we did it first. It's hers. She's gonna show you the front first.
So he takes for a long time.
Now you start. The first one. And tell what it says.
So there's my YouTube, and it says we love to have fun. We love to have fun. Adi,
Sim,
Ali, Adi, Sim, and a star.
and the back.
No.
No. Yeah, wait for
Okay,
that. Yeah. And mine is this. I know it's like pink, but I didn't find my pink. It says the play button thing. It says the great Dupree Usos.
Yeah, mine's different.
100 subscribers.
Oh, mine has.
In the comments below, what's your favorite one?
Mine has 10 subscribers.
Yeah, 100 subscribers. This one is more bigger than that one. Let's say 10 subscribers. Okay. And
Ready?
see you, and then
So ready? 3.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. First yours.
So it says cousins. Wait,
Yeah.
right here.
So first, one like this.
What is
Like
it?
that. It's like that.
Yeah. Cousins.
Cousins,
Epic.
play button, and we love to have fun. Epic of we love to have fun. Adinix and Epic. LOL, subscribe.
LOL.
What's your favorite one on the back?
And Dark
3, 2, 1.
what do you like from here?
Boom. Okay. Mine, it says stay with the army. And it says cousins. And it says Epic Army, Usos Army. Play button of Epic, the Great Dupree Usos. 100 subscribers. The play button stars 2 stars, and it says subscribe to Infinite Kids Special Emily. We love to have fun. Sim and Eric Lomeli Lit, and then Blossom Emily, and then the Great Dupree Usos, and subscribe to Epic 22448 84422 DVDX Epic Games. Subscribe to him. Yeah.
So don't know which one you like.
And it says 100 subscribers.
Or his.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna turn it in 3, 2, 1, boom. Yeah. Subscribe for more.
Subscribe for me and the Great Dupree Usos.
And Infinite Kids Special Emily, Eric Lomeli Lit, and Eric Box Lit, and Russell Emily, and Epic 2244, Epic 22448 84422 subs DVDX Epic Games. That's a large channel. That's 36 subscribers. Subscribe to him. My cousins at Epic. Yeah. Stay army. Go team. Stay